Right, so in today's video, I've been buying more modifications for the car, interior modifications. So we'll open them up and I'll show you them, and we'll start fitting them to the car. As you can see in the background, car's currently torn apart. Can't even drive it at the minute. The air rate's not working. It's frozen. I think it's frozen, or something's went wrong on it. So I'm gonna have to figure out what that is. So today we'll just put the new modifications on in the interior, and I'll show you them. Right, so the first one we've got is for the steering wheel, and it's for the stalks. So we have some carbon fibre covers to go over the stalks. So we've got one there for the cruise control, and then we've got one for the wipers and the indicator, and then the other is obviously for the gear selector. So it looks just like you just have to clip them on. Yeah, so there it is. So all it is 3M tape on the back. So simply peel them off and clip them together as so. So we'll quickly put these on. So the cover is simply just gonna go over like that. That's it, simple as. So we'll just peel this tape off. Alright, so them carbon things on the steering wheel look really good. I'm actually quite happy with them. Right, so the next thing we're going to be installing is this carbon fibre with a little red ring around it. It goes around the start button. I'll show you. Yep. So it's going to go around this, and then I think I might replace this button eventually. So just simply like that. So we'll just quickly put this on. Alright, so we've got these little red rings that's going to go around the vents. We've got carbon fibre on the outside, these go on the inside. So obviously the theme inside's carbon and red on the inside, purple on the outside. Don't know if it really matches, but it's just what we're going with. So the next modification we'll have is these, and if you don't know what these are, they go where your door locks on the inside of the car. So I'll show you where they go, but pretty much it's just a cover to hide the boring silverness. We'll put these over. It's got AMG written on as well, and carbon fibre. So we'll put these on over that, and we've got all four to do. This is a cover for this. Yeah, again, just double-sided tape, and it should, but we have a problem. They're not going over unless you've got to put it in a certain way. So to get them on, as you can see, it loops over. You have to put it through that part first and then over, push it on. Looks much better. So we'll get all these four quickly put on. So that's now installed. They look spot on. One thing we do need to check is that the door will shut. Lovely. Make sure it doesn't leave a mark on it. No, everything's fine, so spot on. Just a little thing. So I just made a huge mistake. So all the little parts of the sticky tape was resting just on here, and as I've been grabbing them to clean them off, I've went like that and they've all just fell down there. I don't know if you can see a little bit of one there, but yeah, so now there's just going to be loads of stuff stuck down there. So right, so final modification, it's these. These are lights to go on the bottom of the door. So at the minute they're just standard ones, just put a light on the floor, just plain. These ones are actually going to be a Mercedes logo instead. Like I was saying, these are actually going to be a Mercedes logo instead. It's just not even 10 minutes, it's literally a couple of seconds to change these over. So we'll quickly get these swapped over, and then it's not quite dark enough yet, but I'll then show you the new part on the floor. It's just that light, and it just shines a normal light on the floor. So we'll quickly swap it out. Just pop out, you got a little clip there, see what I mean, just plain light. So we'll undo this clip. With one hand, it's not the easiest. 2 seconds. The ones have a little lamp bulb in them. With the new ones, all you do is plug into this and they are LED instead. No need for a bulb. So we'll quickly get this pushed in. So that's new and plugged in. As you can see, LED there, right there. I'll push this back in. It's just as simple as that. And you can see on my hand the logo. Obviously once it's dark enough it'll shine on the floor, but yeah, sweet.
Yeah, I don't believe in destiny, I just do what's best for me. Don't listen to my enemies, they're just full of jealousy. Yeah, this legacy, you gon' see what's left of me. You gon' see success in me, you ain't seen the rest of me. I just wanna be the best at what I know, better than the rest, just watch me grow. Put me to the test and watch me go. This is my quest, I'ma make it known. They call me obsessive, oh I know. Call me selective with my notes, call me aggressive with my flow. Call me a...
Right, so all these parts were less than like £50, all off AliExpress. Less than 50 quid, and it's like, it has changed the inside of the car a bit. So definitely worth doing. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe, it really does mean a lot. Leave in the comments what you want to see in the next video. Obviously, I can't drive the car until I fix that, so that's needing to happen. Winter has ruined my car. That video should have already been posted, winter has ruined my car, but it hasn't been because I can't drive my car to go get the other stuff sorted. So that video is getting delayed until I fix this. So anyways, thank you very much for watching, much appreciated. Please like, subscribe, see you later.